Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and in this video today we are going to talk about some of the important words and phrases, idioms. So let's go on start to this video. So the first one is yes. Yes, instead of saying yes all the time we say yes, yes. But instead of saying yes, we can say you bet. For example, if someone is just asking you, hey, are you reading? And you are reading, so you can say yes, but now you will say you bet. You bet. Yeah, you bet. That means yes. And next one is top notch. For example, I'm for example you are watching something and that is very excellent, nice and good. So that's where we can use the word top notch. Top notch means very nice. What a top notch thing. What a top notch frog. What a top notch dress. What a top notch video. And then let's go on the next. Next one is hot shot. Hot shot means someone is very valuable. For example, if someone is there, so you can if he is very valuable, so we can say he is hotshot. He is hotshot. Let's go on the next. Next one is squeaky clean. Squeaky clean means super clean. For example, my house is squeaky clean means my house is super clean. Okay, let's go on the next. Next one is I gotta go. I gotta go. Instead of saying goodbye to you, you can say I gotta go. You can say with your friend, hey, I gotta go. That means hey, goodbye to you. Let's go on the next. Next one is wicket. Wicket means nice, better, and good. Something is amazing. For example, wow, your dress is very good. Your dress is very nice, amazing. Instead of saying amazing, you can use the word wicked. What a wicked sweater. What a wicked dress. That means wicked means amazing. Let's go on the next. Next one is douche and douchebag. What is mean of douche? Douchebag. These are the similar words. For example, if someone is doing something unexpected things, for example, he is just like a little bit mad. So that's where we can use the word douche and douchebag. He is douchebag. She is douche. He is douche. She is douche. They are douchebag. That means they are a little bit mad. Means they are mad. Next one is loose cannon. Loose cannon means if someone is lies a lot, someone lies a lot, so we can say don't talk to him. He is loose cannon. Loose cannon means he lies a lot. Don't believe on that guy. He is loose cannon. Let's go on the next. Next one is a lot of. A lot of means everybody knows what is the meaning of a lot. So here, instead of saying a lot of, you can use the word a bunch of. A bunch of. A bunch of friends I made yesterday. A lot of things I bought yesterday. And next one is dancing. Dancing means you are craving for something. That means you want to take something. For example, you are dancing for a coffee. That means you are so excited about taking coffee. That means I'm dancing for a coffee. I'm dancing for a tea. That means I want to take tea. That's it. And I will see you in the next video with another topic. And if you are interested about learning English language, so please make sure subscribe my channel and like this video and hit the bell icon for daily notification. And it's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.